Come on in. So, like cribs?
Yeah, just like cribs.
So are they going to know that you're talking, or are you going to edit this out?
I'm going to edit my stuff out.
Well, if I keep talking to you, then you're going to be f***ed. So you're going to play it like you're here, or you're not here?
I'm not here.
I'm going to make this real complicated for them.
That's all right.
I should have watched the episode of Cribs first, because I don't remember it. And I'm just going to do a shop tour and forget about the Cribs thing, because it's going to overcomplicate it for myself.
Good plan.
So, well, this is my shop, Casey's Paint Shop. We've been here for just right at 2 years, AC and heated building. I'm too old and way too bougie to deal with the heat anymore, especially this summer. We're like at 106, 107, 108. I think we hit 109 in one day or whatever. Terrible. So this is our, what I call the hot rod shop. It's kind of where we do final assembly or small jobs. 2 lifts, like all of our tools are in here. Most of mainly just my tools, all the wiring, AC installs, engine installs, blah, blah, blah. All that stuff's in here. My office. Don't mind that. You see this? See that? That is Sir Kenneth Conrad, one of my ancestors. Then one of the sayings that I kind of live by, I feel like you kind of make your own luck. So work your ass off and get what you deserve. All my tools, we got lev racks in that hold all of our stuff. We got our AC fittings, AN fittings, chemicals in there. A bunch of part storage. All the racks are for each individual customers. Since I'm the boss, I put my truck inside so it's not hot whenever I go to leave. Over there in the corners, Jonathan Mansour. He doesn't work very hard. He just plays on his phone apparently. Shit. Is our fab shop. So, kind of speaks for itself. This is where all the fab work goes. Rust repair, chassis swaps, anything and everything that we do as far as welding and goes on here. Anyways. So the sign of the Showtime Video, this actually used to be a Showtime Video store at one point. And when we tore all the offices down that were in here, that was on top. So we kind of hung it up as a little bit of memorabilia. There's a 64.5 Galaxy convertible that we're building. It's on a roadster shop, fast track chassis, Coyote engine, a 6-speed. Gonna be a really neat little car. There's a 69 C10. It's got a 67 clip on it, but 69 C10 fast track chassis. It's got a 427 LS engine that was built, and we're going to put like a set of Nelson twin turbos on it. And then this one here is a 85 C10. The cab's over here, but 85 C10 fast track chassis. It'll have a Whipple supercharged. That's a LS3, and it's got a 4L70 transmission in it. And that's pretty much it in here. Lathe and stomp shear over there. This is our break room. That's all we got. Gotta check out our bathroom. I think we've got a cooler bathroom than most shops do. And then this is our body shop. So a couple projects in here. This is a 76 F100. I got from a buddy of mine, Aaron, and I gave it to my son. We're building. And y'all won't have this drop by the time SEMA rolls around anyways, but he doesn't know, but we're taking that truck to SEMA. He's 16 years old, and he's gonna drive it there and drive it home. We did that a few years ago. This is my truck. It's a 48 Ford F1. We're gonna drive both of these there. That's a bed to the 85, and that's a one of 32 Brookville Phantons that were designed by Chip Foose and Brookville Roadster, and that's one of 32. Pretty cool car. And then in here is my paint booth. takes a second for the light to turn on, but this is my mixing room. This is where I go, I scale out all my paint, weigh it all out, mix every color, any color that I want to. Explosion proof. Makes it turn a fan on for so long before the light turns on. Weird, isn't it? I mean, it makes sense, but. So, nothing super glamorous, but this is it. There's not a whole lot to it, really. What do you think? Not much, huh? All right, so that's it. 6,000 square foot of AC and heated shop. Nothing super glamorous. Didn't take very long, but we gotta get back to work. So the faster y'all leave, the faster we can get back after it. So see yourself out, please. Have a good day. I was trying to lock you out again. Almost got you.